Good morning, fourth graders. Today's Friday, April 30th. It's going to be a hot one today, so make sure you get outside and play. Get your stuff done early. For math today, you need to work in your MT course, one lesson, um, and a practice page. I'm going to ask you to do both today, and you can work in your Fluency Playground. For reading, you need to do your Wonders to-do list and read to self for about 30 minutes. And then for writing, I forgot to send home your personal narratives, your narrative stories yesterday. So you can either work on a comic or you can type your personal narrative. If you remember what you wrote, or if you were quick enough to remember your story from school, you are more than welcome. I just want you to kind of type in a story or working on a comic book. Okay. Your can do items for math, you can work in a flex course, Some Dog, Freckle, Prodigy, or another math game of your choice. For reading, you can do your games and wonders. You can also get on Get Epic. And then for writing or in the other courses you can work, you can always work in your PE course. The music lessons, you can work in the STEAM lessons, whatever you choose. It is going to be absolutely beautiful this weekend, at least today and tomorrow. So get outside, play. Um, Great day to take a book out in a hammock if you have one and read. That's what I'm going to do this weekend. I hope you all have a great weekend and I will see you on Monday.